Okay, good day guys. I'll be showing you how to add funds in your Dapper wallet in NBA Top Shot using Binance. So first, log into your NBA Top Shot account. So once you're logged in, go to your Dapper wallet. So click My Dapper Wallet. And here we will see the add funds to your balance. So the minimum amount you can add is $5. So let's try $5. Click add funds. And here we have an option to pay with a credit card or with cryptocurrencies. So this time we will click the option for cryptocurrencies. So after clicking, just click pay with crypto. And currently Dapper only accepts Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, DAI, ETH, and USDC. So click understood, take me to Coinbase. Okay, so when it is ready, go now to your Binance account. So log in now to your Binance account. Just complete the puzzle. And get your verification code. And once you're logged in, go to wallet and overview. And then click withdraw. So the coin that we will be using is Bitcoin Cash. Well, out of these 5 options of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin Cash has the lowest network fee. So we will use a network BCH. So it only has $1.33 network fee. And actually the other 4 has a relatively high network fee from $10 and beyond. So let's just use Bitcoin Cash. Click BCH network. And for the address, let's now click Bitcoin Cash and just click copy this BCH address. Copy, then just paste the address. So once you pasted the address, remove this Bitcoin Cash and the colon. So Binance don't need that. Okay, don't forget to do that, guys. So next, we will now copy the amount. So just click copy and paste it here. And this is important, guys. So there's a network fee of 0.001 BCH. So in order to fully pay this amount right here, we need to add this 0.001 BCH in this withdrawal amount so that we can fully pay this. Because if we just withdraw this same exact amount, the network fee will be included here. So what will happen is we will underpay. So we won't really pay this full $5 amount. It would be 4 point something. Okay, so let's add 0.001 BCH. So 0.001. So let's add a 1 here. 3 will be now 4. Okay. So after we have done that, just click withdraw. Okay, double check guys the address. Okay. And continue. And once again, we need to get the code. So we need the phone verification code and the email. So once we have got our code, just click submit. And withdrawal request is now submitted, and just click complete. And now the transaction is currently awaiting approval. So based on my past transaction, it took me about 10 minutes to an hour. So just wait until the confirmations are completed. So do not exit this tab until Coinbase receives the payment. So in this transaction, it only needs one confirmation for the transaction to be completed. But here in Binance, it needs two. So if the confirmation becomes 1/2, the transaction is completed already. Okay, so here we can see that the Coinbase already recognized the payment, and it only needs one confirmation. So if you like a receipt or a notification that the payment is completed, you can input your email here. So okay guys, we now have one confirmation, and this is already enough for the Coinbase to transfer the fund. So let's get back now to the Coinbase tab, and now here we will say that the balance has been updated. So I hope this video helped you, and thanks for watching. Keep safe and God bless.